Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice with fresh rice. First, cook your rice and let it cool slightly. This prevents stickiness. Next, gather all your ingredients, like chopped vegetables, protein, and sauces, so everything is ready to go. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and quick. This method ensures your fried rice has that perfect restaurant-quality texture and flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat, then add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, quickly stir-fry your aromatics, such as minced garlic and ginger, for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add your chosen protein, like shrimp or chicken, and vegetables, cooking them until they are almost done. This high-heat method is key for that authentic fried rice taste. It's time to bring it all together. Push your cooked protein and vegetables to one side of the pan. Add your fresh rice to the empty side, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for about 2 minutes to get a slight crispness. Finally, pour in your prepared sauce mixture, which might include soy sauce and sesame oil, and toss everything vigorously to combine. To finish, sprinkle your delicious fried rice with some freshly chopped green onions and a dash of white pepper for an extra layer of flavor. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh to enjoy the best texture and taste. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients. Also, for those looking to stay refreshed, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.